Welcome back, everyone. If this is the first time that you're stumbling on this channel, my name is Chichi and I concentrate on fashion, unboxings, pretty much any other thing. If this sounds like what you're interested in, to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, become part of this little family. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for coming back. I love you all. And if you're not following me on any of my social medias, I'm going to pop it up right here. You can catch me up on Instagram. You can catch me on TikTok. You can also catch me on Facebook. So I'm everywhere except Twitter. I don't know how to work Twitter yet. Okay, call me old school, but I still don't know how to work Twitter. But you can catch me up on every other social media platform. And with that being said, let's get into what we're going to be doing today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all some few accessories that I have been collecting. But before I do that, I want to share with you the fragrance for today. I am wearing, or I do have on, this fragrance from Dozier. I have been working with Dozier for a minute, and the fragrance that I do have on today is called Floriental Coconut. If you have watched previous videos of me talking about Dozier, you know that the boxes do come like this, and it says Dozier right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and right here it does say iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And also you do have like the notes right here, which I'm gonna put right here. It does tell you more about the fragrance that you purchase and all that information. This is the bottle right here. It is a 50 ml bottle. It does say Floriental Coconut, and this is a magnetic click right here. And basically this fragrance mimics the Tom Ford I don't know how to pronounce the name. I think it's called Solier Blanc. This fragrance right here. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the notes from the card. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the notes up here for y'all to know the composition of this fragrance right here. When you receive your fragrance, it comes with a tester. So this tester, you can try it out. It's more like a little sample of the fragrance that you purchased online. If you love the smell and if it goes with your body, you can go ahead and keep your fragrance. If you don't love it, you can go ahead and return the fragrance, exchange it for something else that you want, or get your money back. I love them. I still use them. You know, they smell so good. They last a long time, especially the ones that have the 18% to 20% concentration. That's quite high, so you know that they're going to last on your skin or your body for a very long time. If you want to know more about this fragrance and Dozier's company, I'm going to also put it up right here. You can browse the website, check out Dozier.com. I do know that they have like 20% going on right now on your website, so do take advantage of that 20% off on your fragrances. Like I said, it went from like $29 to $49.99. You can't beat that. You know, like fragrance on a budget and smell expensive, I'll take it, okay? And I know you're gonna take it. All right, guys, so that's it for the segment of my fragrance that I'm wearing today. Let's get into the main video. The first item I'm gonna share with you all is an accessory. It's a pair of earrings that I got from Dolce Gabbana, and I've been looking at this earrings for quite a long time, but I wasn't just ready to plunge in it. But your girl did it. I did plunge in it because I was like, I needed these earrings, like these statement earrings. They're cute. I know these fashion houses jewelries, they cost a lot and they're not like real gold. But then I do love statement earrings, like this one I'm wearing right now. I do love statement jewelries. I'm not really a goldy kind of person, you know. I love my fashion earrings, and I love bold statement earrings that do make statements when you put them on, and that's what I was going for. So I got these from Dolce Gabbana, and it comes in this box right here. Just gonna go ahead and open it up. So these are the earrings right here. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous they are. I just fell in love with them. These earrings come in two sizes. This is the bigger size. They do have another smaller size that it's a little bit smaller than this, and I think it's $100 difference if I'm not mistaken. But I wanted the bigger earrings because it does, you know, speak volume more than the little one. So this is one of the items that I collected this past few weeks, and I've already worn it. I'm gonna pop a picture right here. So the next item I'm going to share with you is another accessory, is a pair of sunglasses. Yes, so this year I'm collecting as much sunglasses that I can. I have gotten rid of, I think, over 10 to 12 sunglasses in the past 3 months. So I have sold 10 sunglasses and I am replacing them with what I think would really be a statement in my closet. So the first sunglasses that I got are in this box right here. Obviously, if you see this box, they're Gucci sunglasses, and these are the sunglasses right here. Right here, these are the sunglasses right here. What made me get them are this exaggerated GG on both sides right here, and like, listen, these are a huge statement. Like, they add something to your outfit. Like, a simple outfit could be taken up to another level because of the sunglasses. I'm gonna put this on for you guys to see. Take a look at my glasses. So like I said, it was the embossed GG logo at both sides that made me get the sunglasses, and then the little kind of like it's like a pink tint in the frames that really got my attention as well, you know. So it's not dark, it's not like clear, it has that like little pinkish tint on it, and the rims do have black, so I kind of love it. I love how it looks on me. And yet I'm gonna wear it on Mother's Day to go out, and I love it. Love. It's such a keeper, such a cute keeper in your closet. And why not? If you want something really nice, go for it. Just go for it. Okay? Go for it. Alright? Just like this. Okay, so the next item is another accessory. I told you that this is an accessory kind of haul, and it's from Valentino, and this is how it comes in the box right here. It's a pair of sunglasses as well. I actually brought the sunglasses because of my family friend. So shout out to Alara Buttercup, because she uploaded a video in January and she had the sunglasses in black. But I'm going to show it to you guys in a minute. And I was like, no way. And I was talking to her and I was like, girl, this sunglasses is a ish. It's a huge statement glasses. And I'm like, I don't want black, I want a different color. So when I looked at the link that she had uploaded in January, it comes in black, it comes in white, and it comes in like fuchsia pink, right? And I'm like, oh, I've been buying white sunglasses lately, and maybe I should do the fuchsia pink. So I did get the fuchsia pink, and this is the sunglass right here. This is the case it comes in, and just open it up. I haven't worn it yet because I haven't seen or found the perfect outfit to rock this glasses. So these are the glasses right here. Let's take this off. These are the glasses right here. Look at the size. Like, they do have the studs right here, the Valentino classic studs right here, and I just love how embossed the shape of the frame is. Also, it has a dark tint inside, but not as dark as the black ones, you know, like it's not black, it's kind of like a dark brown tint. And I'm just gonna put it on for you guys. So let's see. I'm feeling all alone, but you got me good. Look at the sunglasses. Like, this is fire. Although the white ones are very pronounced, like you can see them, but I do love these. I don't have like a fuchsia sunglass in my closet. Sunglasses when I do have splash of colors on. I just love it. I love it. It speaks volume, okay? The next item is also another sunglass, and it's from Versace. And with this, I kind of like was iffy about it, but I'm glad I actually did purchase these glasses. It reminds me of my um, Gucci clear glasses. It does come in this pouch right here, and this is how the sunglass is. I'm just gonna take you out. So this is the glasses I finally got. But look at the side of the glasses. It does say, it does have the side of the glasses also have the Versace logo on it, and I love that it's clear. So just put this on my eyes like so. Feels like I'm not wearing anything. Yes, this is another Fisher sunglasses, but with a twist because this is clear. I did get additional lenses right here so I can make it darker, or I can leave it lighter like this. So this one is, you know, it's a different color. So if I want to make it darker, you can see how dark it is. So I love the fact that it comes with different color tint for the lens. I'm going to show you guys the other one. It's this one right here. You can see it's not as dark as the darker lens, the one that I showed you guys initially. This has like a brownish tint to it. These are kind of like my favorites right now. Like, I cannot wait to rock these glasses. It actually goes with this outfit that I'm wearing. So I can't wait to rock this season and moving on. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to list the information down in the description box. It was quite a good discount from shadesdaddy.com, so I will list that down in the description box as well. All right, so the next accessory is in here. It's from Louis Vuitton, and I also bought another pair of glasses. So this particular glasses, I got this from Dubai, from my Dubai trip, which was like 3 weeks ago. And I actually wanted the sunglasses while I was in the US, but they didn't have it as a den. And the ones that I did show on my TikTok was kind of like a little bit of defective, but I did show it. So when I got to Dubai, I saw those glasses, and a friend of mine actually got hers in black, and the white actually spoke to me. So this is how the glass comes in the case right here. This is the case, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, and the glasses are in here. Take it out. So these are the glasses that I got from Louis Vuitton, and again, yeah, I have a problem with white glasses or like cream glasses. On the side, okay, on the side it does have the Louis Vuitton written on the side right there, and also right here. I'm not sure what's going on with this camera is acting up, but yes, it does have the Louis Vuitton on both sides, and has all this Louis Vuitton kind of like things going on right here, Louis Vuitton patterns right here, and again it's like a brownish tint inside of this glasses. This glasses is so gorgeous. It's again, it speaks class, and it will look so nice with like a all creamy or all white outfit. Let me put it on for you guys to see. Alright, so these are the glasses right here, and I totally love it. Love. It just sinks into my face. Like, it was made for my face. It was made for this face, okay? Creamy white glasses that I just added to my collection, and I actually don't even have a pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses, so these came in handy at the right time, and I so love it. And yeah, the links to these glasses will also be linked down in the description box down below. And yeah, I think they still do have these on. The next item also is from Louis Vuitton in here, and it's do I call it a twilly or a bandeau? I think it's a bandeau. It's right here. These are the ones that I picked out. I love. It's a little bit wider. This is the bandeau. I can actually use this as a scarf on my head. I can even tie it on my neck. But yeah, these are the ones that I picked out. I really do Love these. I do need one more, and I don't know if I want like a black and white, or like a pinkish color, but these will work really fine, and it's a reversible bandeau. I do love this particular one so much. I think it's going to go well with like most of my Louis Vuitton bags. So I can do a lot with this because it's quite like wide. So I want to call this like a twilly, because a twilly would be half of it, which would be like this, right? Like when you fold this into two, it will become a twilly. And I'm going to be using this on my handbags. So the last item I purchased is a fragrance, and it's also from Louis Vuitton, and it comes in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. This fragrance is called California Dreams, so it's still wrapped right here. But you got me good. This is the fragrance right here. It's called California Dream. It's a perfume, so it's a oud perfume. Stuff is a oud perfume spray. Samples in here as well. And we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So once you open it up, this is how it looks right here. I love the color, which is like a blue faded into like pink kind of packaging. And I'm just gonna open it up right here. And once you open it up, it does have another case inside of it. So it does come in this case as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Like I said, it's called California Dreams. I've been wanting this fragrance for a minute. Like I keep dreaming about it. California Dream, California Dream. That's the bottle right here. I love this black cap right here. Right there, it has the LV logo. You just open it up. This is the 100 ml bottle, and this retails for, I believe, $280. Yeah, this retails for $280. So the notes in here is mandarin, and also has some kind of citrus, kind of sweet scent going on. It has benzoin in here, and it has amber in here. I'm also gonna put all that information right here. Like I said, I'm not a fragrance expert, but when it comes to owning a nice fragrance that smells good, I'm there, because I love to smell good. So yes, like I said, I'm gonna put all the information in the description box so you guys can get to know more about this fragrance and what is and what's not. But I love this. Okay family, this brings me to the end of the little accessories that I have been gathering. I still do have more accessories to share with you all, but I have to break them down into different segments. So thank you all for watching till the end of the video, and like always, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that like button so you can get notified anytime I post any new content right here on my channel. Alright, and with that being said, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Take care and bye bye. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep a linger.